Okay, aloha patients. Let's go over different types of supplements. Here's one of my favorites, okay? Because of specifically what's going on with me, I prefer to have both plant and animal source glandular. So these vitamins expire fast because they're in a highly digestible format, particularly oil, and then it has exactly what I need in a combination within this package. So this helps my adrenal glands, my reproductive system, and gets the basic omega fatty acids and endocrine stuff because, yay, I'm 40 soon. So this is very important to me as this is going to slow down the aging process because, especially with my spastic life, those of you that know me, I fly 6 times a month and treat 10 hours a day. So life is crazy. So these are great supplements. Now, supplements that expire are ideal, just like food that expires, right? If you get a bunch of food that sits on the shelf forever, it sits in you forever. Typically, we like to get rid of food every 12 hours, okay? So you want your supplements to complement your consumption pattern. Consumption pattern, that's another video. Okay, and then you have chewables. I love vitamins that you can chew and turn into liquid because it actually gets the digestive system rolling. You know, we're not supposed to swallow our food with water. So when you're able to chew and take chewables or liquids, love it. Okay, some of the hormonal stuff comes in creams, and there's also drops. Okay, so a lot of my homeopathics I love in drops because you can put them in water in between meals. So your digestive process wouldn't particularly get in the way of some of the hormonal signals that may or may not be missing that you're supplementing. Now, Ben Lynch actually talks about the pulse method when taking supplements. So when you feel good, you back off. This is very important. People get on a regimen and stay on it, okay? If you're taking something you don't need, you can actually make it worse. So whether you get the right form, liquid, chewable, glandulars, right? Great. But make sure you're only taking what you're missing and then pay attention to when, how often, and check in. The body's very dynamic. You don't want to be taking the same thing every day. If you were to have the same meal every day, you would get nutritionally deficient because there isn't a meal out there that has everything you need. Your body is this powerful, magnificent thing. So those of you may have gone your entire life without ever taking a supplement. Just know that your body can convert a lot of stuff and make life happen when you don't have something by robbing Peter to pay Paul. Yes, so you might have normal labs, basic chemistry, because in order to get a real idea of what's going on with you, you would need a $500 minimum, huge panel that your MD doesn't necessarily want to run in case it's an emergency, right? They're emergency care, not wellness care. So a lot of people will go to their MD for wellness care and get frustrated. Please don't get frustrated with them. You know, it's not an emergency. But when you come to a wellness provider, like our integrative wellness center, it's a different kind of care and you're going to get what you want. And then we will run tests that are worthy, okay? Your circulatory system moves stuff around. It is not what you're made of.
I know she loves the sunrise, no longer sees it with her sleeping eyes, and